Hi, this is Alice from SRSQ Packaging. Today, I want to introduce you about one kind of our PP jar called SRSQ. There are three parts for this PP Cream Jar: PP cap, PP disc, and the PP jar. The shape is straight and it is glossy. It can be also made into PCR from 30% to 100% as per your requirement. There are 7 capacity for you to choose, from 80 gram, 100 gram, 120 gram, 150 gram, also 200 gram, 300 gram, and the biggest one is 400 gram for you to choose. So our MOQ is 10,000 pieces, and the lead time is 35 days. So that if you are interested in our this kind of PP Cream Jar, please contact me on Alibaba. Thank you.